This is the homepage of HWA monitoring app. And basically, we're trying to show here the brief of each of the dashboard we have. So basically, we divided this homepage into 6 vertical section, and each of the section show the information with one of the dashboard we have. And at the bottom, we have the option as a button. So that will, if you need more information, if you click on this, it will take you to that particular dashboard. So let me explain you each of this section. Okay, so first is talk about the jobs and job streams. So basically, we thought it would be useful for the workload application developer, operator, and workload application users. So they can see the job status along with the job stream information and some of the critical job information. Let me quickly open this dashboard. So I have preloaded here, already open a new tab. So I'm directly jumping in there. So if someone need more information about this, so they can come into this dashboard. It here basically it listed all the job stream. As you see, first this box show all the job stream along with the status of each stream. And the second, we're trying to filter out the jobs on the basis of job stream. So let's say if someone is interested to see why this first job stream in an array status. So if you see this, if you filter out this on the basis of this, you see these are the jobs belongs to this job stream, and this the status is error. So because of this error status, this job error status, this stream is in a error status. So this kind of test round can happen from this dashboard. And also along with this, it provide you some critical job information and also listed all the critical jobs present in the workload automation. Okay, so let me go back to home page again. So the second vertical section is talk about the KPIs, and it also provides some information about the workstation we have in the one instance. So here briefly it show the total available workstation, and at the bottom it's showing the status of the workstation. So here it show the 4 available workstation and the 4 unavailable workstations. To get the more information, we can click on this. I'm already open, so I'm just toggling the tab. So here it show the all the KPI information. The first it's showing the instance of host, instance of workload automation. The second, we have here option to filter out the workstation on the basis of their status, whether it's available or not. So currently it's by default selected it's showing all the available workstations. And if I want to see what are the station unavailable currently, I can select this. It show the unavailable workstations. And the second, we have tried to capture the database connection status. So currently it's connected, so showing the success. And if it's some issue with the connection, it would display here the connection field. Okay, at the bottom, we are trying to capture the KPIs information. So here it's a job on the basis of workstations, folder, and the plane count. So if I click on any of the KPI, it will give me the options available for this. So let's say I'm clicking on the jobs of workstation. It's providing me the workstations available. If I select any of the workstation, it would show me the statics job status corresponding to this. So similarly, I can see for the jobs by folder. So here we are doing kind of grouping for the jobs. So I have 2 folders here, so it's showing the statics corresponding to these folders. Okay, so this dashboard could be again useful for the Y application users and the operators to test down some KPI informations. Okay, going back to the home page again. The third vertical sections talk about the activity monitoring. It could be useful for the workload automation administrator. Basically, it gives you the auditing information. So let me take you to this particular dashboard. So here we have the option to select on the basis of time. So if you want to see the activity of the particular time period, here you can select. So on the basis of time, it will filter out the information. So here we are trying to show all the audit operation has been performed, the total events that what operation has been performed, and at the bottom it would give you the information about you can filter out the information on the basis of the users. So let's say if you want to test down the about information about the respective user, what are the information has been performed by that user, so you can filter out from here. It would show you the operation performed by this particular user along with the audit type. The same here in the different next box, we show the audit information on the basis of the object. So if I am interested to see the some particular object, so I can filter out here and see the what are the operation has been performed here. Let me go back to the home page. The other vertical section we have it talk about the infra monitoring. So basically uh, it show the information about the infrastructure where the workload automation has been deployed. So in our case, it's showing the OCP information, OpenShift cluster. If I again see the more information, if I open the dashboard. So here we have to select the release, the workload automation release name. Then on the basis of this, it will filter out all the information. So currently it's showing the first total nodes we have in the OpenShift cluster. Again, it's listing the nodes. Then along with this, it's showing the HWA deployment details. So we have 3 apps, workload automation apps, and it's running at 3 pods. And again, we have the total 8 containers belong to this workload automation deployment. And this pie chart is showing all the container information, and it's divided on the basis of the events we are getting each of the containers. Then the next column, next table show the pods. The pods belongs to the workload automation, it listed all the pods. And here we can see the containers belongs to each of the pod. If I select this or any of the pod, it would show me the all the containers belong to this pod. So it could be useful for the infra monitoring. Okay, so again, going back to the home page. So I have covered the 4 vertical sections. The remaining 2, advanced analytics and the alert part, it is not implemented yet. It would be released in a subsequent releases as a part of subsequent releases. So along with this, to jump directly to the dashboards, we have the option in the menu bar as well. If you click on any of this, it will take you the dashboard, respective dashboard. I think I have described what we have now.